So this is my rocket launch control system. Underneath this giant mess of wires is an Arduino Uno and a 9-volt battery, which is powering the Arduino Uno. There's also a homemade 9-volt battery pack back here, which is powering this Arduino Power Supply Module. And then Arduino Power Supply is powering these 3 servos, and there's one under here that you can't see. And it fires this rocket right here. You just stick a firecracker in the back, and then just stick it in here. And then it lights it and fires it. So here's it on. When it first turns on, it shows a splash screen like this. And then whenever it finishes turning on, it shows the standby and waits for me to arm it. And when I arm it, it goes to the arm state, and the left potentiometer controls left and right, and the right potentiometer controls up and down. And then whenever I flip the fire switch, after I turn it around, it will fire the electric lighter. I didn't actually record myself making this, so here's the only 3D printing time-lapse I could find for this project. So this is my rocket launch control code. It probably looks really bad, and that's because it is, but it works, so it doesn't really matter. I used probably 4 or 5 tutorials to make this code. One really helpful person who makes tutorials on Arduinos is Paul McWhirter, and his tutorials are the ones that I use for about 90% of this project, and I'll be leaving a link to his channel in the description. So this is my circuit diagram, and yes, I know it's a mess, but this is only my second attempt to make a circuit diagram with Tinkercad, and I'm going to be leaving this in the description as well in case you want to try and figure it out somehow. And here are some clips of it actually working.